Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next candle with the help of Candlestick Psychology. And I'm sure you got value from my previous video, and at the same time, it's your first time on my channel. Do have to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload my next video. Okay, but before we get started, we just had a Facebook page, Kenyan Trading Tips. If you have not liked and followed that page, I guess you're really missing out. Do have to check in the description of this video for the link, or you can search it on Facebook, the Kenyan Trading Tips page. There I give daily trading tips to help you become profitable, how you can understand the markets, some trade examples, and some good valuable content to help you as a trader. Okay, so let's get started for today's class, today's tutorial. We'll be looking at we'll be trading US card. So far over the last 30 minutes, this is what's currently happening in the market. The market has been on a long uptrend, but now we saw some sellers entry here. But now you can see a momentum from buyers, very strong momentum. Buyers are coming in. But if you look at it generally, I think the market has been, for those of you that still use indicators, I don't use indicators, but you can say this market has been overbought. And now we might be seeing some movement like this. The market might still be coming down for lower prices. So maybe this buyer's entry here can be some retracement. So I want to see the market maybe from this level start coming down. And already you can see some rejections on that candle. Okay, you can see we are seeing weakness in buyers now from this level. You can see weak candles now. So it's a sign that buyers are getting exhausted, and the market might still be coming down for lower prices. Okay, let's observe the market closely so that we can place our trade. Okay, we had a strong candle here, strong seller's entry. So with this, we might still go with a lower option. Yeah, I place a lower option here because of this strong seller's entry. I think this wants to look like a evening star pattern, a reversal pattern. So basically, sellers might still enter the market for 1 minute here. Okay, let's see the close of the candle. Okay, we have a few seconds more. Okay, we had a hammer candlestick there, a strong hammer candlestick, and we lost that trade. So maybe we'll take our time and observe the markets before we place the next trade. Or maybe the market wants to go into consolidation because this is an area. Okay, you can see now sellers are coming in strongly. Okay, I think there's a round number here, a very strong round number. Maybe the market wants to be consolidating at this area. Okay, sellers have broke it now. Sure, very good. Sellers have broke out that level. Sellers have broken out that level. So okay, I think we want to get a retest, but I'll go with a lower option. So I place a lower option here because I saw this evening star pattern. When I went with sellers, buyers enter, but this was just a retracement. You can see that sellers brought the market down strongly. So you can see that sellers are bringing the market down just as we predicted at the start of the video, that this is going to be the market direction. So maybe we might still get some rejections here, and this candle will close like this, and then maybe bearish or a weak green candle. Okay, let's see the close of this candle. Okay, very good. I want that trade, you can see, just as we predicted. So let's observe the market, and we'll place our trade on the next candlestick. Okay, we are still not getting any good movement, but I think buyers want to enter. Buyers want to enter the market. Maybe a little retracement from buyers. Okay, we're having some little retracement from buyers here. This wants to look like a little weak candle. Okay, we are getting some strong quick buyers entry. Okay, I'll still go with the hard option here. I place the hard option here because of this buyers entry. So I'm sure that maybe the market wants to retrace and hit this level it broke out from before it start coming down. So I guess maybe buyers wants to enter again for 1 minute. Okay, let's see the close of the candle. Okay, sellers brought the market down. Okay, that means the market is coming down. So I'll go with the lower option. I place a lower option here because this candle tricked me. I thought the buyers want to retrace this level, but they failed. We had a strong seller entry, so the market is coming down now. Okay, let's see how it goes. So the market is reaching out for this level, and then maybe we might still get some. Okay, we are getting some rejections at this level. Okay, I want that trade. It's a good entry point. Okay, we are seeing a weak candlestick here. So let's be patient and place my trade on the next candle. Maybe the market might be aiming for this one here. Okay, we are getting some weak buyers entry here. Okay, buyers entered again. I think I'm going to go with a higher option. Yeah, I place a higher option here because we saw weakness in sellers and a strong buyer's entry. So I guess maybe buyers are trying to come up for this level. We might get some rejections on this candle, and the candle might close like this. Maybe a strong bullish candle, and then maybe this is just a retracement or some consolidation for the market to come down. Okay, let's see the close of this candle. Okay, I want that trade because of my good entry points. But you can see that I think the market is kind of consolidating. But I know it's consolidating here because maybe it wants to still retest this level it broke out from and start coming down heavily, or maybe after this buyer's entry, after the little consolidation, it might not get there, it will start coming down. So this is what we are expecting for the market, and I know that that's what the market is trying to do. Okay, you can still see some good buyer's entry, and I told you the market is aiming for that level. Okay, we are getting some strong rejection. Okay, strong rejections on this candle. I'll still go with the higher option. Yeah, I place a higher option here because of this strong buyer's entry, and the way I'm looking at it from the analysis, the market is aiming here to get to there and come back down, because I think it wants to retest that level. That's why we are seeing some buyer's entry here. So sure, buyers are aiming for that level. Okay, we have a few seconds more. Okay, very good. That was an ITM. Let's wait for the next candle, and then we'll place our trade. Like I said, the market wants to retest that level. You can see it. It has retested that round number. So from this round number, it should be coming down 1.3300. You can see the rejections on that round number. Okay, I think the market has retested that level enough. So hopefully it should be coming down from that round number. But it's best to place our trade with some good marginal safety. I'll still go with sellers. Yeah, I place a lower option here because the market has retested the level we are aiming for, and we saw some rejections during the close of this candle. So hopefully the market should start coming down now. You should see some sellers entry in the market, or maybe we might have a weak candlestick here, maybe a reversal candlestick there. Okay, let's see the close of this candle. Okay, we had a weak candlestick there, So I'll go with a lower option now, maybe 2 times. You can see what I told you. I might have a weak candlestick here. So I would have been patient, or I would have traded with some good marginal safety. But I waited and I didn't see the little move. That's why I placed my trade, because I knew what I was doing. So even if I had the OTM, I understand the market very well, that it will fall down strongly and the sellers are still going to enter the market from that level, just like we analyzed at the start. So the major thing in this market is to understand the market. If you understand this market, then you can place your trade without fear, without greed, without any emotion. It's going to form a red candle. Surely it's going to form a good red candle. You can see I won that trade. So I placed the trade because of time factor. I placed the trade because of time factor, because I knew I was confident and I knew what I was doing. So that's why, okay, this is the trade I'm talking about. I placed it because of time factor, but I knew that we might likely have a reversal candlestick here, and that would lead to the seller's entry we should be expecting. So from here now, the market should start coming down, or you can see a little consolidation, but hopefully the market will start coming down. So total, I placed about 5 trade and 5 ITM and 3 OTM, but at least the last one we closed with some good profit. So that's for that. You need to understand the market very well for you to be able to trade. This might be just a little fake out to lure people that the market is going higher. I tell you, this market is going to come down. Okay, hopefully this video was helpful. If you like this video, do want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can always get notified when I upload my next video. Do want to like, comment, and share with your friends. Till next time, I wish you good luck and good trading.